We are live. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Today in this second live stream of Forex of reviewing propfirm.com, we're gonna continue to trade the FundedNext challenge. I'm gonna show you again which challenge that I choose. So for the moment, just wait, letting some people entering the live stream, and we're gonna start that. Yesterday trading night was pretty nice, pretty good. I took a trade yesterday night on gold. This is the MT5 web platform of my FundedNext. I will try to see how to see our history of our trades. Just wondering that since yesterday, um, as I say, is not looking like MT5 platform, the classic one. Is looking like maybe some modification in the plate on the plate platform. As you can see, we can put it on light if you better like, but I better like the dark theme. It's my first time trading on MT5 as well, guys. I never traded on MT5 before. I don't know how to see our trading history. Okay, it's there, guys. It's there. I just find it. So I'm gonna show you what is risk management because 2 days ago, this is my third trading days, and 2 days ago I was down 1.5% on the account. Okay, and right now I'm up 0.5%. This is the key of the risk management when you're trading the Forex market. Okay, we can see I took a sell on gold, which stopped me for 1%, and then my second trade was a loss as well, but I closed the trade like half of the way of the stop loss because the price action wasn't good and my trading plan told me to stop this trade. But this trade of this morning that I started yesterday night is pretty good. We hit we hit a 2.1 risk reward ratio, which is bring us back into the profit this morning into our 15K FundedNext Stellar account. I will show you that in my dashboard. It was the trade of yesterday, long at 2.66 and closed at 2.67. No, long at 2.66, yeah, and closed at 2.77, and it was a 169 pips trade. I was aiming for 2680, but the price action wasn't good here on the M5 time frame. I will tell you that later. So account overview. This is the my FundedNext 15K Stellar account one-step challenge that I choose. Okay, we can see that I'm up 0.37% on the account, which is $55.6. The 2-day perimeter loss is $724 because I win the trade. So we can see that the 3% daily loss is calculated with the profit you made. So if you took a profitable trade, you have more profit loss permitted for today. So it will be maybe a good strategy to, when you're winning a trade, try to take another one. But you know, I'm always focusing on quality over quantity. So overall loss limit would be $955. I trade for 3 days for now which is I took 3 trades, so one trade per day, and profit target is 1.5 grand, which is can be triggered in within a month. Okay. So this is my FundedNext ebook, which is pretty good, and this is the website of my FundedNext. I have choose the Stellar account. The Stellar Challenge is the most popular one, and I know why. It's because news trading are allowed, and that's mean you don't have to close your trade every single uh, low impact news, medium news, and high news. In all news, if news trading is not allowed, you need to come to your MyFix book, economic calendar every time, because your account gonna get shut down if you holding a trade during a news. So for example, if I was holding gold this morning at 7:30 and we got a US Challenger job cut at 7:30. Uh, I was supposed to close my trade before the news and reopen it after the news, which is bad because I can miss a lot of pip because of that. So I don't like the firms that put us a news trading, that don't allow us news trading. Um, so this is a big point. This is why I choose the Stellar Challenge. And what's more? What's more? Minimum trading days. It was I choose one step. You have the choice of the two-step challenge, one-step challenge. Sorry, I think you didn't see. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, this is the Stellar Challenge on the my FundedNext. They say this is the most popular model. So we got a 50K to trade. I choose you can see here two step, one step. The difference between the Stellar and the Stellar Light is I don't like the Stellar Light because you have multiple step to pass. Stellar Light is profit target part 1 8%, part 2 4%. So you need to have to made 12% without losing 8%. It's still a good model. I don't know why it's that much less expensive. Part 1, part 2, it's 12% without losing 8%, 4% minimum drawdown, balance based drawdown, minimum trading day, news trading always. So the Stellar Light will be another challenge that I will try in the next few days, because what I see right now, it's looking very interesting. Uh, I better like the only one step. So me, for example, for the Stellar one step, it's way more expensive, you see, but I need to make 10% without losing 6%. This is why I like this challenge. It's only one phase. You don't have multiple trading account to trade. You have one, and don't forget that um you receive a refund 100%, 150% refund on the purchase when you pass the account, and you receive a 15% on the challenge phase of your profit. So you are not trading for nothing. You made 15% of your profit made on the challenge phase. So yeah, still I discovered that this morning the stellar light will be pretty interesting for me. I will have two trading account to trade, but it's 8% drawdown, and you made 8% first. It's way better stellar light. I'm not sure why it's less expensive because the trading accounts are smaller, that's for sure. Uh, on the stellar light, you don't have the 15% profit share of the on the challenge. Profit share from challenge phase. You see that? Stellar light, you don't have it. But for 15% of the profit of the challenge phase is not that much, you know. Look, if you take the oops, if you choose the highest challenge, for example, a 100K, 50% will be $1,950. I don't know why it's supposed to be 15%, so 1.5K. I think it's because they refund the fees. It's not that clear, but this is uh, basically how their challenge work. You know, I have two minimum trading days for the one step stellar light, 5 day trading view. Very good exit on gold, guys. Beautiful. And I'm looking maybe to go long again on this trend line. That's for sure. This morning we're gonna try to go long. H 4 hour closer close above, and don't, and remember, I called this trade yesterday on our live stream. Um, Yesterday we didn't took a trade, but we were broking this area. I called that we need uh a close of a 4 hour close above the resistance area here, and we closed below. Okay, this is why we didn't long yesterday, but we can see when we come on the M30 time frame, we have first thing first, we are uptrending on gold. This is why we're looking to go long. Okay, then second thing, and why we are uptrending, we making higher highs. Pretty simple, guys. Another higher high was made this morning. Lower highs, higher lows. Boom, boom, boom. So I took my trade here. We can see boom, impulse, corrective wave, fibs. We're gonna come on the M15 time frame to show you that. Fibs, trend line fibs, right here. Waiting for the confirmation. Confirmation on the M30, no confirmation on the 1 hour. So wick on the 61.8, two reaction. We did go long at 2.66. Stop was below the past low and the fibs levels. And stop, I close here around for a 2.1 risk reward ratio for 2% profit, which put us in profit mode into our FundedNext account, which I was almost 2% down yesterday. So for now, M30 time frame, I would like to go to come back around here. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen. Sorry. I'm gonna go on the 15-minute time frame. We can see that the market is us uptrending like that. We're gonna take our past resistance area, which is here around 2.666, and we're gonna draw a Fibonacci from the low to the highs. And we can see that the market is bouncing from the 38.6 right now. If we're trying a trade from the 38.6, it will be still 100 pip to the upside uh, at 2.681. I don't like this closure on the M30, M30 as on the M15, M30 as well, but that's mean nothing, you know. But we don't have structure. The best price will be waiting for a 50 pip drops to going along around 2.667. It will be the best area to take a trade for a long. We can see that the trend line is perfectly respected. I think that we still gonna reach at least 2.68 on gold. um I will like to take a long here with stop below the low just right here for 68 pip stop loss and take profit of 140 pips. But we can see that we're reacting right now from that level, which is I'm not gonna take trade. If we want to take a trade on the 38.6, 38.2, stop loss will be very, very smaller and take profit like this. When I'm trading from the 38.2, first we need to wait that closure. That candle close, other candles to come back, and we can go long on the 38.2. We're gonna see how the market is reacting for the moment. Pound yen yesterday was completely destroyed, as I explained yesterday in our first. I missed the trade by like couple of pip. I put a sell limit right here, and with the spread, I think I missed the trade by 3 pips. We were targeting from the resistance area into the supportive area, as I explained it yesterday. We have resistance, supportive area, market created lower lows, lower highs, impulsive wave, corrective wave right on the structure area. Right here. In this type, this is in this type of case that you can see that the market structure is way more powerful than Fibonacci. But what I better like is market structure with Fibonacci combined is the best. Bitcoin still crashing. Looking at Bitcoin, big head and shoulders on the 4 hour time frame. Uh, at the moment, we stay above the supportive area around $92,000. We will be. I see Bitcoin going up technically. Um, I won't be surprised to see it come back around $72,000 per Bitcoin. 38.2 is around 85,000. 61.8 is perfect with $72,000. Will be a very good entry here and target more higher. So pound yen, we're sitting on the supportive area. And this is an area, guys. I know we broke it this morning and we pulled back on it. Maybe we're gonna see the market going furthermore to the downside, but I will look to go long if we come back above the supportive area, consolidating, impulsive wave, corrective wave. We need to create on the smaller time frame a higher highs, lower highs. Then we will try to enter on the 61.8 with structure to going along. Stop below, TP to the upside. Maybe we will try to reach that resistance area which created yesterday around 198. Gold is falling a little bit. So I would like to see a retracement into my 61.8. Into my 61.8 level of Fibonacci. So this is the my FundedNext ebook that they give with the challenge. Um, it's pretty good. I talked about yesterday in the live stream. They're talking about some trading rules that you need to understand when it's come to trading a prop firm. Because when you're trading prop account, you need to follow some strict rules that make you a good trader. The rules are not there for nothing. They are there to preserve the capital and to trade like a professional. So they have multiple feature, multiple topic in this ebook that they talk about. Uh, is this ebook is designed to help you guys. So profit factor, they're talking about a lot of things, which is pretty good. So we're starting to consolidate to retrace on gold. Let's see until where that retracement can be. Uh, Take note that I close my trade. I will tell you the exact price. We can go and look as well. I close my trade at 77. So I close my trade right here in the little gray area. So the 4 hour closure on gold is good. You can see fibs. We have some, we can see with the fibs extension, guys, okay, from the last impulsive wave, corrective wave, this movement coming from this corrective wave here. Okay, it's pretty simple. This impulsion, the fact that the gold is uptrending since the past weeks, is the fact that we bounce from this level of 61.8 right here, and we create higher highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs has been made today, this morning. So this is why I'm using my fib extension. We have two potential target in the long term. The first is on the uh, 85 marks, and the second will be at $2,700 for the gold. Right now we are on the past structure of the higher high. We're gonna see if we have some red news on gold coming up. We can see not for now. If we look at yesterday, because we know that my fixed book is lagging. So no red news on gold coming up. Next news will be in one hour for the New York Fed Treasury purchase. It's low impact news, so no, uh, we don't have to worry about it. That's for sure. So we can see that the market have. Did we touch the 61.8 right now? We're gonna go on the 15-minute time frame. Look at that closure. We can see the reaction on the 61.8 was perfect. A perfect reaction on the 61.8. Closure in 73 seconds. I think next candle can come back. How the 61.8 with structure is powerful. We can see an instant reaction from of 30 pips easily. 1 hour closer have not been made, but we wicking on the last high of the market. So if we come back into the entry area, stop loss will be 71 pips and take profit will be 135 pip around. If we target price should go up. Look at the reaction from the past high. We bounce from on the 61.8 perfectly, which is a good indication for future movement to the upside. As I say, pound yen, the trade was this is on the 1 hour time frame. The short was here. Right now we're looking if we come back above the supportive area around 1094. We're gonna wait for market structuration, a push to the upside, higher highs created to go long. Look at the entry, guys. 61.8 touched it perfectly. Entry zone perfectly touched. This is the power of Fibonacci with structure, and with everything is combined with the market session. Right now we are during New York session. We can have good reaction on these level for sure. So my FundedNext dashboard came back into the profit this morning after 2% loss in the account, around 2% loss for the first 2 days, and now we're back in profit with a beautiful trade of yesterday. Don't forget, guys, you can look at Forex Prop Firm, reviewing for propfirm.com to find the best prop firm for you, for your fit, for your trading style. Um, as I explained it before, I choose the Stellar account of my FundedNext. We can go look again because, and I find the Stellar Light very, very interesting. Will be maybe the next challenge that we will try with my FundedNext. But for the moment, we have the Stellar one step. I choose this challenge before because we have news trading allowed, and only one step is, I like the one step. You don't have to trade on multiple trading account. The profit target is 10%, and the maximum overall loss is 6%. You can't lose than more than 3% daily, but the balance based drawdown is on. So, for example, after my profit of today, my daily loss limit has increased. So if I'm aggressive a little bit, I can go more risky on that one. Of course, I will not. And this is the key of risk management. Can see two loss and one profit. We back in profit. Yesterday long on gold was good as well. It's the same type of trade, guys. Look, we long on 61.8 right here. Impulse corrective wave. 61.8 right here. Confirmation. Yesterday we took a long. Stop below. And target, we close the trade here for around a 2 risk reward ratio, which is pretty good. I still think gold gonna go higher. Unfortunately, we missed the entry right here, but it was called. I was waiting for a retest of the 61.8. I was too patient, but we coming back with we came back from a good win. So I'm not the kind of trader after a win trying to retake the same movement, because we already took all this movement of out of the market, a 200 pips trade. I don't want to try to push the market, and the fact that we are higher than yesterday. I don't want to take the risk for the same movement. You know, we already took out this movement from the market, so I don't want to uh, push the things and risking way more. But for you guys, I call this trade, and we can go into 85 as well. Look at the market. Beautiful entry. We're up about 69 pips. This is good profit. You can put in comments, guys, if you have any suggestion, if you want us to try another prop firm, another challenge, just put it in comment. We will try other prop firm, uh, other challenge model, everything in the next month with this business at reviewingpropfirm.com. This is the yesterday trade that I called for you guys, USD CAD. Perfect entry as well. Wow. Wow. If you were on the live stream yesterday, you saw my entry on the 61.8. You should be up 33 pips for a 21 pip stop loss, which is pretty good. We aiming for 1.444. Gold is going way too perfectly this morning for us. So guys, tomorrow it will be no live stream in the fact that I'm not trading on Friday morning, so it will be live stream from Monday to Thursday every morning at 9 a.m. with reviewingpropfirms.com. Next week I think we will continue to trade the one step stellar model with my FundedNext, which is in profit of 0.37% for now. Um, Target is 10%, so we need the next trade be a winning trade. Okay, so it's a pleasure, guys. See you next week for our next live stream. Beautiful entry on gold, beautiful entry from yesterday on USD CAD. And if you were on the live stream like yesterday, we have took long on gold from here and take profit here this morning. This is why I'm not entering this trade. We're gonna let the markets run and look. Maybe if we come back and touch this trend line, I'm gonna go long. But yeah, so it's be a pleasure, guys. See you next week on Monday morning. Bye bye.